Hello everyone. A very warm welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share a creamy, rich, and absolutely delicious white sauce pasta recipe with you. This dish is a perfect combination of smooth white sauce, perfectly cooked pasta, and flavorful vegetable stall, ideal for a quick lunch or a comforting dinner. And the best part, you can easily make this restaurant style pasta at home using simple ingredients. So, without any delay, let's get started. First, take a pan and add 5 glasses of water. Bring it to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add 250 grams of pasta. Along with a little oil. Stir it well and cover the pan with the lid. Cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes or until the pasta becomes soft. While our dish is cooking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Now let's get back to our recipe. Make sure to check in between to avoid overcooking. Once done, turn off the flame and set it aside. Now, let's prepare the vegetables. Take 1 medium broccoli, 1 capsicum, 2 onions, 2 carrots, and a bowl of sweet corn. Chop them evenly and transfer them into a bowl. You can also add vegetables of your choice, like mushrooms. Now drain the boiled pasta. Rinse it with a glass of water and keep it aside. Next, heat a pan on medium flame. Add a little oil and 2 small cubes of butter as shown in video. Once the butter melts, add finely chopped garlic and saute for a few seconds until aromatic. Now add all the chopped vegetables. Stir well. Cover with a lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Open, stir again and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the vegetables are perfectly sauteed. Now, let's prepare the white sauce. Take another pan and heat it on medium flame. Add butter cubes and let them melt completely. Once melted, add 3 tablespoons of maida flour and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, stirring continuously. Now slowly add 1.5 glasses of milk while continuously stirring to avoid lumps. Cook until the sauce becomes smooth, creamy, and slightly thick. Add chili flakes, oregano, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and salt to taste. Mix everything well. Now add a bowl of mozzarella cheese and stir until it melts completely into the sauce. Next, add the boiled pasta into the sauce and mix it well for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add the sauteed vegetables along with sweet corn and mix everything together. Cover the pan and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Open the lid and check the consistency. If the pasta feels too thick, add a little milk and cook for 2 to 3 minutes more until you get the desired consistency. Finally, sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano on top. And your creamy and delicious white sauce pasta is ready to be served. Serve it hot and garnish with extra chili flakes and oregano. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy recipe. Do try it at home and share it with your family and friends. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.